Hey guys, today I want to show you how to remove and replace window regulator on the 2001 Camry. This is the XV20 2.2 liter 4-cylinder. So this is a model year 97 through 2001. My car is a 2001 Toyota Camry. So I'll be working on the rear passenger side, the window regulator, if you want to remove and replace it, or if you want to just fix the motor. So basically this is the rear passenger side. So first you need to remove the door panel and then roll up the plastic covering to get to the because you need this opening to get to the window regulator. This is the window regulator and this is the motor. Okay, so first you need to disconnect the connection. This is for the motor, and you need to you need to also roll the window down, all the way down, so you can see the these two bolts, this and this. These bolts are the ones that's holding the window to the window regulator. You also need to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bolt. These bolts are holding the window regulator to the door itself. Okay, so first you want to disconnect, remove the 2 bolts, and then remove the 6 bolts here. Alright, so now we're going to disconnect this electrical connection. So just push the tab down and pull it down like this, and then we're gonna go behind this opening to remove this motor like that. Be careful not to break the clip behind it. Okay, after you remove this from this opening, you want to remove the green cable from this protector. Okay, there. So now we're gonna remove the these 2 bolts. So to remove this bolt, you're gonna need 10mm socket. Okay. So after that, you want to hold this window and lift it up. You need to remove this catch here. So we're going to lift it up. want to remove the window regulator from this opening carefully. You can just, there you go. So this is the window regulator. You can rest the window in place. Should be okay. And then now you can remove and replace this, or you want to remove and replace the motor itself. Okay guys, so we're gonna put this window regulator back in the door. So you want to line this up with this opening and this to the opening. So you're gonna lift up the window, the glass. Be careful not to drop it, and then you go this carefully so you don't scratch the paint. So you wanna do it like this, like that. Okay, and then you want to gently put the window down so this can get into the opening. So now you want to put the bolts back in the holes here. This, and then this, all 6 of them, and also you want to line up that opening, and you want to put this bolt back. So after that, then you're done. You just reconnect this green wire through this opening. Oops, looks like I'm bleeding. Put this in the protector here, and connect this, and you put it in this opening here. And you're done. And then you just roll down the plastic cover and put the door panel back on. Thank you for watching.